pool dito sa floating market, railway market, tsaka Ayutthaya. Ito na, si Kuya Kevin. May oras yung pagdating ng train, so hinabol ni Kuya. It will pass through at 8:30, 8:25, so sakto kami. Ay!
It's big.
Ay, tingnan mo talaga, oh. Sukat. Uy!
Ano siya? Talagang mabagal siya, no?
Oo. Hi! Hi! Welcome to my guys! Charot! Hindi welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my guys!
Ito mga local na ito.
Mari, wag niyong lalagpasan yung red line.
Hola!
Hola, hubadera to. Charot.
Buenos dias. Show your face. Hello! Hello! Hi!
Hi!
Hola! Buenos dias, señor.
Uy, gagos.
We take a photo here.
We take a photo here, okay?
Yeah.
9 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, take out. 9 o'clock.
Okay.
9 o'clock.
Medyo chaotic, mga mi. Ang daming tao. Yung gwapo naman yan. Uy! Ang daming tao. Isang balabal, 100 baht. Ay. Ito, mga bracelet na may elephant. 50 yung curry powder. Saffron is 50. Saffron ba talaga yan? Or kasubha?
1 pack 100, 3 pack 200.
How much is that?
Tom yum set, tom yum set.
Ang sikip sa loob. Tapos hindi naman ako ma-shopping. Okay na yung binili ko. 140 baht total. Mara yung puwet mo. It's the same kid. Drink, lime smoothie. Ito ang aming private service. It's actually a chartered taxi. Narinig nyo, sabi ni Kevin, 150 years na raw tong floating market na to. Damnuan Sarawak.
The board bumper. Safety your hand. Keep your hand inside.
Okay. Tingnan nyo ako para kung bata.
Ayan. Oo nga. Ayan naman pala ka.
O, diba? Nasa harap tayo. So, marami palang provider.
Natakot ako para sa buhay na.
Wow! Uy, banggaan. Mare. Charot. Ay, ang lapit. Ayan na nga. Uwis buhay pala rito. Ayo.
Parang gusto ko ng coconut ice. Mainit pa naman.
Coconut ice cream.
How much?
May free yata tayo, Mare.
Tawa pati. Sige pati.
Ang lakas ng tawa ni ate.
Tawa pati. I'm gonna raise my phone. Ma, oh.
Uy, Mari, matamaan.
Oh. Oh, gusto mo yan, ma? Kapong ka. Sawari ka.
Mari, ano yung...
Natatakot ka ba?
Wow! 60 ang coconut ice cream.
Okay, ma.
Kuyaw. Kuyaw. Nagcha-Chinese siya. Sabi niya, gusto mo, ayaw mo. Nagbabanggaan yung mga boat para exciting.
The original
150 years old floating market. Eme! Ayan o. Pwede raw pa-picture sa mga snakes.
Ooh, that was intense.
I think this is for free. Wow! It's for free. Kasama na to sa namin, binayad namin. Ang saya-saya naman. I love it kasi ang daming nagtitinda. Tapos yung mga presyo nila, mga 40, 50, 60, depende. Kasi ito kasama na sa ride namin. Tapos marami ring ibang boats. So nagkakabanggaan. May konting thrill. Konting thrill! Charot! Buddha.
Love it.
Ang ganda. Oh, di ba?
Ay, gusto ko
Ay, para siyang sorbetes. Hindi siya super creamy. Mas icy siya. Yum. Ay! Banggaan galore. Ito hindi. Walang banggaan. Minsan nagbabanggaan parang kanina. Masarap to. Tsaka may malagkit pa na pandan. May nuts din. Oh my God, look at this. Ayan na, banggaan na. Oh my God. Charot. OA lang. Ito pa. Oh, exciting parang ride sa Disneyland. Aminin. Charot. Alam niyo ba ang forecast since last week nag-worry kami is maulan dito. As in parang the entire day 25 mm. 25 millimeters of rain, which is a lot for a day. Pero it's not raining, so we're happy. May mga partner stores yata sila. Ay, may mga Muay Thai boxing shorts. Ito naman. Alam niyo yung mga ibang souvenirs nila. Pareho lang sa atin. Ay, ang cute nung may boat to. No.
mahirap din mag-bed.
Oo.
Ano tayo man gusto ko?
Dito kaya sila nakatira, no? In fairness, buti naman maraming bukas kasi maganda yung pad. Ay, ang ganda nung red, ma.
Yun naman.
Heart Evangelista, Cheme.
You want me to pour it over? Na?
Hi. Binyanan kami ni Kevin ng pancake. I don't remember if this is part of the tour. Babasahin ko. Or nilibre niya kami. Masarap ba? Ano ba to? Pancake with what? Crispy parang crepe. Parang barquillos. Tapos yung gitna.
Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Sobrang tamis.
Ah, parang marshmallow frosting. Tapos, ano yung orange?
Asa tita. Asa tita na ito.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung orange.
Pero
Itong mga stores na to na sarado. Pero maraming bukas, to be fair. Hindi naman ilan lang. Siguro more than 20. Tikman ko tong sticky rice. 60 baht yata to. In fairness, dalawang pisngi ng mangga. Let's see how it tastes like.
oo, te. Para siyang ano. Parang julo.
Dito, it's all empty. Na? Pero marami kaming nakitang stores. Actually, kung magsha-shopping kayo, you can. Pero kilala nyo na ako, hindi ako ma-shopping. Maganda rin ako dyan. Maganda pumwesto dito sa taas. Oh. Kita lahat. Ayan, oh. Ay, may snake! No.
Ni kamana eh.
Si Kevin tumayo dun sa mataas para lang mapicturean kami at ma-videohan kami. Bait-bait niya. Bait niya. O, nagbigay pa siya ng ice cold water. Diba? It's 12:20. May napansin ako sa mga truck dito sa Thailand. Ito dadaanan natin. Napansin nyo, lahat ng mga cargo nila nakatakip ng black tarp. Ayan. Hindi kasama sa tour namin to. Wow!
What is the area here? What's
Ayutthaya.
Oh, okay. อันนี้จะเป็น chicken jet Q nuts stir fry and steaming sea bass.
Chao Phraya River pa rin pala to, no? Ang haba pala ng river nila. And they really took care of it. Wala akong nakikitang basura. Hindi ako fan ng sinabawang manok. Pero kumakain ako ng tinola, ha? Sarap nito. Lasang tom yum din actually. Malay, matanglad, madahon. Parang healthy soup talaga. Ang sarap. Very, citrusy and aromatic. And, uy, ang dami explanation. Kakain na lang ako. We don't know what fish this is, pero hindi siya for sure tilapia. Or baka tilapia, pink lang yung balat.
Malaki.
Pwede rin. Pwede naman lumaki yung tilapia, diba? Ay, ang dami nga.
Ay.
Ulang. Ulang ba ulong? Ulang. Thank you. Malaki naman siya, oh. Malaki yung ulo niya. Wait! What does it mean? Fresh na fresh yung pagkaprito. Regular isda, pero hindi siya overcooked. Sarap. Siyempre, lalagyan mo ng... Tigisan na lang tayo nito. Masarap nilang seafood sauce. Ano ba to? Nakakain siya pero hindi ko alam kung ano to. Masarap? Masarap daw to. Oh, malaki oh. It's as big as my hand. 700. May juicy siya. Kami hindi kami nagastos sa mga souvenirs. Puro pagkain. Laki taba.
Uy, kung ano nang sinasabi mo.
Oo nga, bakit ganun?
Gusto ko yung malaki.
Sabi ko daw malaki yung ulo. Mga ganun. Charot. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng seafood sauce. Ganyan ganun. Tapos, kanin. With, ang sarap. Perfectly cooked yung shrimp. No, Mare, no? Malambot siya. Hindi siya yung parang nanigas na sa grill. Sobrang juicy nito.
Sarap mag-order ng pagkain kapag madami kayo. Saka, no?
Kasi you can try everything.
You can try
Freshly
everything.
caught, freshly
Hindi siya
made.
ganun ka.
Ito yung, ano nila, seafood sauce, di ba? Yung damit ko po, kasi mag-attend po ako ng Senado mamaya. In aid of legislation. Char.
Marue.
Maruway.
Yes.
Chow Praya Maruway. Try ko hanapin yung pinang sarap. It's really good here. Do they bite, no? No biting?
Not bad. No bad.
Ang cute. Bibili si Kevin ng Michelin na cotton candy for us. Michelin 2023 to 2024. Hindi kasama to sa tour namin eh. Mga bigay lang niya. Ang bait niya, no? Roti
English name-
Saimai.
Yeah, roti saimai. English name cotton candy pancake.
Cotton candy pancake. Okay.
Yes, for one.
Get one? Thank you.
Same.
More?
Yeah. No. Pancake.
Oh, okay. How much is that?
For you.
For me, for us? Wow, thank you.
For together and enjoy after here.
Okay, thank you. Mari, mas maluwag yan. Wala, binigyan kami ni Kevin ng
She is the owner.
He's the owner.
Yeah, super star.
For how many years already? This course?
I think about 15 years ago.
50 years? Wow.
Do you look in the Michelin Guide Guarantee 10 years? 22, 23, and 24. 3
Wow.
years ago.
Thanks for taking us here.
Yeah. And it has the number 15 in the world.
Or number
This one?
15 though.
Yes. You
Wow.
can look, you can watching on Netflix channel.
Oh.
Documentary street food. Michelin Guide
I
Guarantee.
saw in Thailand.
Yeah, in Thailand.
Wow.
Number
I watched
15.
that. We
But
buy?
and only
Hey, we
one
cannot bring it, no?
and only only one shop is a Michelin Guide.
Only one? Wow. Thank you.
You cannot buy
Anywhere.
walk in not buy.
I know, okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, order
Order only.
the two day for 1 month.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Yes.
So because they're affiliated, you know
Yes,
them.
I come.
You call them.
Yes.
No, guys.
Wow. Thank you, Kevin.
If you walk in to buy, finish.
No
Yes,
more.
finish.
Ah.
No more.
Wow,
You can
Michelin
order,
daw.
1 and 15 2 times for 1 month.
You can only you can order 2 times in 1 month?
I order before because I and her
Masarap siya tayo.
it's a long time for customer.
Ah. Thank you.
What does it call?
Huh?
What do you call the cotton?
Cotton candy, roti saimai.
Roti Saimai.
Roti saimai, Thai name. Yes.
Wow. Sarap nito. Bittersweet siya. Yummy. So, he's paying for our ticket because it's part of our tour package na. Bawal ang drone. Uy, ganda. In fairness. Okay, sa pagkakaintindi ko, they were in power from 1300s to 1700s, but the Burmese attacked them and burnt the entire city. Thank you, Kevin. Tapos, yung mga Buddha nila, walang mga ulo kasi pinagpuputol-putol nga when they were attacked. And then, after that, nilipad na yung capital nila. Tingnan mo nga, ito, tabingi, oh. Kaya sunog-sunog yung mga Buddha rito. Look, and the heads on the ground.
Name.
Yeah, Mahatha Temple. So you can look Ayutthaya city map. Ayutthaya city map is island.
It's an
Yeah,
island.
in the island we call.
Ayan, mga Buddha wala ng ulo. Ganda rito. Ayan, oh. Pupunta kami dun sa yung Buddha head na nasa roots ng trees. Uy, ang ganda! Ang laki ng Buddha na to, oh. Pinutol lang, oh. The Buddha head. And this is a big deal. Kasi ang nangyari daw dito, it was buried. And then nung lumaki yung puno, nasama na siya sa roots. Hindi siya nilagay dyan. Nung tumubo tong malaking puno na to. Kusa siyang lumabas dyan. Ganda rito. Tapos, mainit, pero may mga shades. 'Di ba? Look at how old they are. You're not allowed to touch the bricks, by the way. Royal Sermon Hall daw to. Wala nang ulo. Even if you don't like temples, you're going to love the history and story of this. Sabi nga ng isang kumare ko, at tingnan mo, laki ng Buddha head, oh. Laki niyan. It doesn't do it justice. So, come here. Kung may chance. You don't have to do it many times. Just do it once in your life, diba? Can you imagine? This used to be a very powerful trading nation. Kasi nga napapablibutan siya ng rivers daw. 3 rivers. Isa dun yung Chao Phraya. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Sobrang daming kinain. Stupa yun, di ba? So, it's an entire complex with 200 temples daw. Ayan, tabi-tabi sila. Dito kami galing sa kaliwa. Ngayon, papunta kami sa second temple namin. We're gonna go to 3 different temples. Sikon Temple. Lalaki, no?
They're parang sila yung mode of transportation at tumutulong sa pagtulong sa mga nila.
Lalaki ng mga elepante nila rito. Ilang taon na kaya yun, no? What is it? We love the word majestic today. Char! This is the marker that says it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ito maraming stupa.
Very big temple because in the past Ayutthaya it have former capital
The former capital.
and this temple is capital. Royal Temple is Grand Palace of Ayutthaya.
Mari kasama na si binayad natin to.
May payong, magpapayong ko dyan.
Ay, ang laki. Wow. It's modeled, no. The one in Bangkok is modeled after this. That's what he said. Ay, ang laki nila, ma. It's like an entire building. This is the Royal Palace Temple. Ano kaya meron sa loob? The relic. He was saying royal family relic around it. That's what he was saying earlier. Kung naintindihan ko siya ng maayos. Feeling ko, pag camera lang, you cannot appreciate it. But you really have to come here. Brick ruins, the stories. Kevin, these are the relics.
The lilies,
What is this?
the Jedi, inside Jedi. Yeah, Jedi. In the belief, Thai people believe.
What
Then
jelly?
the king, many king inside the Wat Po, Wat Arun, in the
They're all inside.
pagoda inside.
Okay, these are pagodas. Okay.
Royal Temple, you look na, double marking stone, double
Bow.
pole stone,
Okay.
double is a this temple, Royal Temple.
Ah.
It only one common temple.
If it's many
okay.
like this.
Two.
Double.
Yeah,
Double.
Double marking.
Okay. Oh. So it's
Yeah, you
royal.
Many temple in Thailand.
And then you could
It-
distinguish if
Double.
it's double.
Yeah,
it's
this
royal.
Royal Temple. It have only one. Common temple.
Pag double daw yung stones, royal temple.
Royal Temple for the
Ayan.
king. Making
Kapag isa lang yung stones around it, common temple. Ang ganda rito. Mainit lang. Pero I'd rather have this weather than rainy weather. Kasi kung hindi kami makatapak sa grass, diba? Pagod na yung mga tita, majinit eh. Pero maganda dito, ha? Punta pa rin kayo. Iba yung init eh. Walang hangin. But still come here. Sinabi ko na kanina yan eh. Talagang preserve nila, no? Hindi nila inayos. Anong itsura ng tikang syogod na? Uy, ang init. Pero ang ganda. Uy, ilang beses ko na sinabi yun. Right beside the Royal Palace Temple is this. Which was ang daanan natin kanina na majestic nga. I don't know what this is, but I did see people going inside. Ganda niya, ang laki niya ma. Tapos gold. Our third temple. I don't know the history of this yet. Whew. Majinit Jackson. Ordination Hall. For meditation. Ganda. Pero ang init. Pwede ba umakyat dun sa pinakataas, Char? Bawal daw. Wow. Humangin na mga mare, humangin na. It is what time? 4:15. Ang ganda rito. Mainit lang. Pero I shouldn't be complaining. Uwing-uwi na kaming mga tita. Ito yung mga Buddha na puti. So, does it mean they were not burnt or are they rebuilding this? Ayan o. Mga bagong gawa ba yan mga yan? Kevin. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Kapunta.
Video later,
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy. I'm very happy today.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we
Thank you
did.
so much.
Okay,
Thank you for taking care of
Yes,
us.
please review 5-star for me.
Of
And
course.
comment to share me up in group.
Yes.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Nagulat siya na.
Thank you sa aming snacks, Kevin. Oh, may pa-Michelin na baon si Kevin, oh. Diba?
Bongga.
You've probably seen it in 7-Eleven. Nung pumunta ako the other day, merong nagpapaluto dun. So, itong pantay na to, 100 Thai baht. Hindi ko na videohan na binili namin o nasa isip ko. So, ngayon, this is it, 100. Ang bango. Mahala yung 100 Pero, I guess, dahil it's a busy street, pero it's also filled with hotels. Kaya siguro, kumbaga hindi siya market price. Shrimps. May isa. May dalawa. 2 shrimps. Ayan. Mabango naman. Bagong luto. Sobrang init. Di ko nga mahawakan eh. Tapos nagpigay rin ng ganito oh. chili and sugar. At nagbigay rin ng lime. So, tikman natin without anything. Manipis lang yung noodles. At saka parang bouncy talaga. Sarap. I wouldn't put sugar anymore. I will put lime and chilies. Hindi siya maanghang. Gumari kong isang pabili pero tulog na siya. Dapat magpapamasahe kami or magbibigsi. Hala, ang dami ko nilagay. Alam mo yung super pagod ng katawan pero gising yung utak mo. So, I tried to watch something. I tried to listen to white noise. Wala. So, nung sabi nung isang kumari ko na bababa siya to look what's up. Look for what's up. Ito na nga. Sobrang init. Sarap. Itong shrimp nila. Malaki-laki naman. I would say this is a medium. Yung shrimp hindi siya fresh. I wouldn't say it's spoiled, ha. Hindi lang siya yung parang kanina dun sa Chao Phraya River na talagang ito, alam mo yung parang na-overcook siya. Pero not bad. Yun lang na mahal na 100 Thai baht. Tourist prices. Lahat ng binili ko, mga sauce. Bilang
Okay, and you use a lot of sauce, a lot of. This is the red curry.